Do you want to know how I made these profiles? Watch this video until the end. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into the tutorial. Open ChatGPT. Explain to it what kind of image you want, and then tell it to turn that into a prompt for the Nano Banana AI. Copy it. Search Nano Banana Gemini AI and open it. Paste prompt and wait. You can give it any prompt you want and enjoy brand new images. But be careful, once you start, you might not be able to stop. Ha 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 ha.